Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.